How to put Roman numbers in Google Docs. Need Roman numerals for outlines or page numbers? Let's add them in Google Docs. So usually you'd find page numbers at the top right or at the bottom right of your page. So for example, you want to add your header at the top right. So simply select your header and then the Roman numeral number corresponding for this page. So from here, select the options and set the header format. So you can go ahead and set this to be different from the next page. But yeah, you can also set the indent from here to right if you want to place it on your right. Now, once you add another page, you'd be able to find this similar header. So simply manually add corresponding Roman numeral number of this specific page. That is how to put Roman numbers in Google Docs.